Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.